this relates to the car.
To the right of the road and it's coming towards us.
Holy moly. All right. Holy shit. All right, I gotta go. I'm coming, honey. Oh my God. Okay, honey. Holy shit. Stay in. Oh, man. Oh my God. Our house is freaking destroyed, Josie. Oh my God. Where's Autumn? Oh, I've never seen anything like it.
Ja pierdolę. Stoję. Tu jest. O! Kurwa mać. Jezus Maria. No.
Don't close, man. Panther. Oh my God. Back up. Oh no. Stop. Oh no, what it destroyed. Brandon, back. Oh, it's a trailer house. Slow down, Brandon. No, slow down. You're in info. Debris.
We're getting hit by debris.
I've never
You see
seen a
that
tornado
spinning
this
so
violent.
hard?
We got to go.
You see it spinning so hard at the surface?
Yes. I've never seen a tornado this violent in my entire
I
life.
haven't. I mean, obviously,
This
I
is the
haven't.
most violent tornado I've ever seen by far.
Oh my God. Keep going. You got this, right?
Yeah, I got this.
Whoa! Woo!
that town's getting hit. Go drive up, Ricky. Yeah, drive up there. Oh my God.
What a monster.
Right up nice and close.
Two of them
Ricky.
now.
Oh, two monsters.
Oh no. No, 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 don't do that.
Oh. This thing is not moving. It could. Watch out. That's stopping.
I know. Oh my God.